Unboxing and assembling the DTF 600. Start with a shaker. Remove the screws from the top and sides of the container and pull the box apart. Remove the plastic wrapping. Take the rollers out from under the machine and pull the unit out of the box. Wheel it into position and lock the wheels. Remove the contents. Now for the printer. Remove the screws on the top and side of the container and pull the box apart. Remove the bubble wrap. Place the printer and its contents into a group and the shaker and its contents into a second group. Let's start with the printer assembly. The legs for the stand are clearly marked with an L and an R for the left and the right. Stand them up and put them onto the feet provided for each side, using the screws provided. Hand tighten it first. Now place the top bracket on each side with the rounded edges facing sideways, not to the front or the back. Screw it down using the screws provided. And then tighten all the screws with an Allen key, which is also provided. Now install the middle section stabilizing unit. Be sure that the punched out 600 mark is facing forward. Once that's done, turn the unit upside down and install the wheels. Be sure to put the two lockable wheels in the front. Once all the screws have been tightened, turn the unit the right way around again and lock the wheels. That way the stand will not move when you place the printer onto it. Remove the shipping protection plate under the printer. Now you need to align these 4 holes on the printer to the corresponding 4 holes on the stand. Once you've aligned them, screw them together. Again, only hand tighten at first. Finish with both sides and only then tighten all the screws with an Allen key. And we are nearly done. Just a few more steps left. Unscrew these screws on the top of the machine and place the ink tank in place. Line up the holes and screw those screws back in. And that's the ink tank done. Next, screw the roller arms in place, the hollow side facing outward as you see here. Once you have tightened all the screws, slide the rollers in. Install the roller mechanisms by sliding them onto the front roller and then sliding the rollers back into the roller arms. Then lock the rollers with the locking screws. And lastly, install the ink waste bottle onto the side of the stand. Pull the ink waste tubes out from the machine and put them into the bottle, and you're done with the printer assembly. You should only have these dampers left. So let's move over to the shaker. For the handle, there are 2 black screws. Simply slide them into the handle and screw them onto the unit. Now you need to install the fan unit arms onto either side. Once they're secured to the machine, fit the fan unit onto the arms. Once done, plug the fan into the machine over here. Next, fit the roller arms on. Make sure the 2 arms are at the widest apart from each other. And lastly, install the rollers and roller mechanisms. Slide the roller mechanisms onto the front roller and then slide the roller into the roller arm. Then just pop the plastic caps into all of the rollers. Tighten the rollers with the locking screws. Plug the roller mechanism into the machine. And you are done. Unlock the printer's wheels, turn the printer facing the shaker, and lock the wheels again. Now, all that is left to do is for a technician to come and install the printer dampers for you. And that's it. Your DTF 600 is unboxed and assembled. Thanks for watching, and of course you can just call the technical department if you have any questions.
2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.